Happy holidays! Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic eggnog recipe. You know why? Because it's easy AF. Okay, I haven't made this classic eggnog recipe in a really long time. I have a tradition of making coquito every year, which includes coconut milk, sweetened condensed milk, and rum. And this, I'm going to use some rum and whiskey as well. This is made with egg yolks and whipped egg whites. I usually love to see it at a holiday party in a punch bowl in little tiny cups, because that's about all you need. We're going to do some individual cocktails today. So, I'm going to add some sugar to my egg yolks, and I'm going to start to whip my whites. Okay, our egg whites are whipped. It's really only taken about 2 minutes, and we want it to be a medium to stiff peak. So when we say peak, we're talking about how it looks when it's on the whisk. Okay, so my other ingredients, the egg yolks with the sugar. I just whisk it until it feels like the sugar's melting into the yolks. It'll look like ribbons. Best part about eggnog is it's fluffy and it's seasonal. We really don't drink this any other time of the year, so enjoy it now. Then I'm gonna add in milk and cream for a little richness. And I know my mom especially likes eggnog without alcohol, and you can certainly make this whole thing without the booze. I would add a little bit more spice, maybe some cinnamon. Okay, now I'm adding in the rum. This is a Jamaican rum, and then some whiskey. You can add in brandy if you like, but I like the blend of the dark rum and the whiskey together. And then what makes this really fluffy and amazing is the fact we fold in the egg whites. So we're gonna go ahead and take a spatula and we're gonna fold it in. You know how to do that, right?
The fold technique. Now really, at first you might wanna stir a little, but think about always turning the bowl and coming up from the bottom to the top.
Okay, so with any folding technique, we can put in a fair amount first and kind of stir and then fold. We don't want to lose air, but we need to get this balanced, right? We have a heavy liquid and then a lot of really fluffy egg whites. So it takes a minute to get it combined, and then we'll fold the rest. Okay, all of our whites are folded in. I used the rubber spatula and the whisk a little bit. And we're getting our beautiful glassware. Again, you can serve this in a punch bowl with little punch glasses, or you can do it in a martini glass or a coupe. And for a beautiful presentation, I'm going to transfer it to a pitcher with a spout, because I know I'm a little messy. And this gets garnished with a grate of nutmeg. And I don't know what is any more holiday than the smell of this delicious, boozy, classic eggnog with a little bit of nutmeg on top. Okay, so just pour it into the glassware carefully. Look how fluffy that is. Holy cow, that's beautiful. And honestly, all we really had to do was whip egg whites to get that texture, that fluff, that foam. And that's the key to eggnog. A little bit more, because, you know, we have multiple guests on the holiday party. And then just take that nutmeg. Always use fresh if you can find it. And I use a microplane to grate over. And that is just gorgeous. If you want to put a twist on it, maybe you can grate some chocolate over the top. But that's just me. That's our classic eggnog, and it's easy AF. Happy holidays.